Hey Cynthia, can't wait for our cooking party. Let me be the master chef tonight.
Is that so? Then let's get cooking. Maybe I go with steak and fries.
Hey, let's get started. Let me see, where's potato? Oh, right here.
Yeah. Sprinkle it, sprinkle it.
Let's wait for 30 seconds. I cannot flip a steak. Whatever.
Let's add a special sauce to it. Check out my secret recipe. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley leaves, 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 200 grams of sour cream, some cheddar, parmesan, and also 6 grams of basil. That's all we need.
Let's go. Whoa! What?
Where are your ingredients?
They all disappeared.
That's because you didn't put the lid on it.
Oh, look, they're still here.
I think it's time to serve your customers, don't you think?
You're right. I'll take it.
It's right over there.
Such a pity. Yeah, I was so close. It was a dream come true though. I've always wanted to cook in a big kitchen with all the ingredients. Good for you. With all those ingredients, you could get creative as you wish, even making your own special dish. I would totally recommend it. It was so realistic and so much fun. Plus, you don't need to clean up. Awesome! Can't wait to try cooking VR myself.